Welcome! In this video, we will prepare the cost of goods manufactured statement and the cost of goods sold statement for Intriquette Glass Manufacturing. Here is the key data we will use. We will follow the flow of manufacturing costs, direct materials to work in process, add direct labor and manufacturing overhead, then transfer to finished goods, and finally to cost of goods sold. To make this intuitive, let us draw the factory cost flow. Direct materials flow into work in process. Direct labor and manufacturing overhead also feed work in process. Then costs move to finished goods, and finally to cost of goods sold. First, direct materials used. Beginning direct materials plus purchases minus ending direct materials. That equals 146,400 pesos. We assign this amount to the arrow from direct materials into work in process. Next, direct labor. Actual direct labor is 160,000 hours at 18 pesos per hour, which equals 2,880,000 pesos. We feed this into work in process. For manufacturing overhead, we include items like depreciation, indirect labor, supervisory salaries, utilities, insurance, and rent. We also include indirect materials used. Indirect materials used equals beginning plus purchases minus ending, which is 158,000 pesos. Summing all overhead items gives 1,962,000 pesos. We feed that into work in process as manufacturing overhead. Now, we add the three components in work in process. Total manufacturing costs equal direct materials used plus direct labor plus manufacturing overhead. That is 4,988,400 pesos. Next, we adjust for work in process inventories. Cost of goods manufactured equals total manufacturing costs plus beginning work in process minus ending work in process, which gives 4,983,720 pesos. We transfer this from work in process to finished goods. Finally, cost of goods sold. Goods available for sale equals beginning finished goods plus cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods sold equals goods available for sale minus ending finished goods. That equals 4,978,680 pesos. We show this moving from finished goods to cost of goods sold. Let us summarize the two statements clearly: cost of goods manufactured statement and cost of goods sold statement. Final answers. Cost of goods manufactured equals 4,983,720 pesos. Cost of goods sold equals 4,978,680 pesos.